No country in the world can buy the deadliest fighter, the Predator F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor operates as a top stealth fighter worldwide today. The F-22 represents unmatched aerial agility and stealth capability. Born from real-world warfare, demands for superior air dominance. Global conflicts intensify the need for advanced fighter jets like the F-22. The F-22 features revolutionary technology, powering unmatched performance. Military strategists analyze global tensions, demanding air superiority now. Rival nations develop advanced fighters, challenging U.S. air dominance. Pilots require superior jets to handle complex modern combat data. F-22 Raptor outperforms older fighters in speed and advanced weaponry. Continuous innovation ensures the F-22 Raptor leads aerial technology tomorrow. The cockpit integrates advanced controls and a sleek fuselage design. F-22 Raptor measures nearly 19 meters in length, with a wingspan of 13.56. F-22's wings extend smoothly, balancing stealth with aerodynamic agility. The F-22's internal frame combines lightweight composites with strong alloys. The F-22 accelerates beyond Mach 2, showcasing unmatched speed and power. This fighter streaks through clouds at supersonic speeds effortlessly.
F-22's radar actively detects and defends against multiple targets simultaneously. Its agility enables complex night maneuvers with absolute precision.
Integrated weapon systems deliver precise and devastating strikes. F-22's stealth technology absorbs and deflects radar signals effectively. Fly-by-wire system enables precise, smooth aircraft handling and control.
The F-22 Raptor demonstrates unmatched agility during complex aerial maneuvers.
Advanced sensors monitor surroundings with extensive real-time data. HUD delivers critical flight data in real time for pilot situational awareness. "3D models shift shapes, dynamically showcasing aerodynamic design possibilities. Pressure maps highlight areas to reduce drag and improve lift. Engineers collaborate to perfect aerodynamic profiles of the aircraft. Wind tunnel tests provide precise aerodynamic data for design validation. Lift and drag forces adjust as wing and fuselage shapes optimize airflow. Selected materials include carbon composites, titanium, and aluminum alloys for optimal strength and weight. The assembly line utilizes both skilled technicians and automated systems for maximum efficiency during the welding process. The automated curvature scan is complete. All metrics are within acceptable parameters. Wing integrity confirmed.
Automated robots perform precise welding, ensuring flawless joints.
Fuselage components merge seamlessly through stage-by-stage assembly. the engine achieves a low thrust-specific fuel consumption for optimal efficiency.
Advanced manufacturing capabilities allow us to rapidly produce the next generation of turbine components with unparalleled accuracy.
Fuel injection and combustion generate immense thrust, powering the aircraft. Engines undergo rigorous testing to verify thrust, fuel consumption, and durability. Completed engines are subjected to stress tests, simulating real flight conditions. Technicians assemble intricate circuit boards and advanced sensors. Multi-dimensional radar system emits powerful waves for comprehensive detection. Weapons and missiles are integrated securely onto the aircraft wings. Systems undergo rigorous simulation tests to ensure weapon and radar reliability. Radar locks targets as integrated weapons engage with precision strikes. Modern cockpit HUD presents vital flight data clearly to pilots. Software simulates intuitive pilot interactions via controls and touchscreens. Cockpit design optimizes pilot comfort with shock-absorbing seats and wide views. Pilot and engineer collaborate to refine and improve cockpit prototypes. Test airfield ready as F22 Raptor stands prepared for takeoff. Flight crew inspects instruments and technical data before takeoff. F22 Raptor ignites powerful engines and takes off with precision. Test flight demonstrates maneuverability and precise flight path control. Control room monitors and analyzes flight data from the test mission. A rapid journey through the F-22's development, production, and testing phases. Envisioning next-generation stealth aircraft, shaping the future of aerial combat. Continuous innovation drives the evolution of military aviation technology. Committed to constant advancement, the F-22 remains a cornerstone of defense strategy. Which military vehicle's production process would you like to follow? Leave your comments below the video. Where imagination meets science. Welcome to the Brain Imagination Lab.